How to make a public profile on Snapchat. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can basically make a public profile on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to make a public profile on Snapchat, first of all what you have to do is just go ahead and then launch the Snapchat application here. Once you launch the Snapchat app, you're gonna see this type of interface where you just need to tap your Bitmoji profile from the top left hand side of the screen here. Once you tap your Bitmoji profile from the top left, you're gonna land on this page where you have to tap the gear icon from the top right. But before I do that, if I scroll down here, you'll find an option that says create public profile. Now many of you might not have this option called create public profile, and in order to enable this option there are a few of the privacy settings that you need to customize. To figure this out, just tap the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then you want to basically scroll down, and then here you'll find all the sorts of options. So right over here you can see contact me, so you have to go to privacy control. Who can contact you? You have to select everyone. Then who can use your Bitmoji avatar? Select it to the maximum privacy, not the least but the maximum privacy possible. Then who can send you notifications? Of course you can select everybody. Then you can see who can see your story. You can set that to everyone as well. Once you select that to everyone and so on, just select every privacy setting to the maximum privacy, and next time when you relaunch the app you'll find the create public profile button. You want to just tap on it, and then right over here you'll see all these details. You want to make sure to tap on the continue button as well, tap on the get started option, tap on the create button, and then your public profile on Snapchat will be successfully created. As you can see, this is it on how you can create a public profile on Snapchat. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.